Welcome to my channel. Reset Belkin N300 range extender. If you are facing the difficulties in Belkin N300 range extender setup, or you are unable to access the setup page of the Belkin extender, then by resetting your device, you can resolve the various issues. The first step is to find the reset button on your extender. You will find the reset button at the back of your extender device. Once you find the reset button, press the button by using the paper clip or pin. Hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds and then release it when you see that the power LED light starts blinking on your extender. Wait for some time until the reboot of range extender is completed and your device restores the factory settings successfully. At last, a message displayed on your screen saying your device is reset successfully. It will delete all the customized settings done by you previously. Thanks for watching.